Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change Google Gemini voice on Android. So if you also want to change Google Gemini voice on Android, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon Google Gemini application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store. Once Google Gemini application is open, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. From this interface, you'll be able to ask questions to Gemini. All you have to do is tap on the message bar that you can see at the bottom. Now type in whatever you want to type. Now hit the send button that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here Google Gemini will respond to you. If you want to know how your Google Gemini sounds, simply tap on the speaker icon that you can see right over here on your screen.
Hi, how can I help you today?
Now users heard the voice of Google Gemini. If you want to change this voice, it is very simple. For that, first of all, you have to go back. Now in this interface at top right, you'll be able to see your profile icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, this kind of options will appear. You'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for Try Gemini Advanced, Gemini Apps Activity, Extensions, Gem Manager, Updates, etc. What you have to do is find the option for Settings. You can see over here, the option for Settings is right over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to Gemini settings. You'll be able to find several settings options over here. You'll be able to find the option for your public links, Gemini's voice, interrupt live responses, languages, screen contexts, etc. Tap on the second option, that is Gemini's voice. Now from here, you'll be able to select the Gemini's voice. Right over here, you'll be able to see the icon for going to next voice. Simply tap on it.
Feel free to keep exploring until you find the perfect voice.
Preview all the voices.
You can always change voices if you're curious.
Stop when you find the voice that you like the best. The voice that you stop on will automatically be selected. Now go back. Now simply type anything that you want. Wait for the Gemini's response. Once you get the response, simply tap on the speaker icon that you can see right over here.
Hi, how can I help you today?
You can see over here the voice has been changed. So that is how you change Google Gemini voice on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.